Yeah. Same cold world. 50 years later. Different time. Same pain. Still in the ghetto. As the snow falls down on a gray block morning, another baby cries. Another soul's been born in the ghetto.
In the ghetto.
And his mama sighs, 'cause another mouth to feed means another fight to survive in the ghetto.
In the ghetto.
People look away, say that's just life, but they never see the hunger in the young boy's eyes. You can preach all day, but the truth remains. No one hears the poor man's pain in the ghetto. The story repeats. Another young dream fades out in the streets in the ghetto. The cold wind blows and the struggle's the only thing he knows. Now the boy's grown up,
Boy's grown up,
lost his way,
lost his way.
trying to find light, but the sky's still gray. He learned to fight,
Learn to fight,
learned to steal just to eat,
feel just to eat.
and mama still prays
still prays
when she hears poor